So yeah, this is the sway bar end link, and this is what's making the noise. I cannot get the view here. Yeah, you cannot hear this one if it's just on the ground or there's load in it. It needs to be hanging. So yep, this needs replacement. So what we're going to do is put some penetrating oil on this one and this side too. And so far the suspension is pretty good on this one. Yeah, I don't need to replace it. It's very common for the XC90s to have a bad suspension, but we'll see once the clunk is out. So this is number 18. Just sap it off and just put it back, because I still need to get this one. And I think this is number 15. Yep, it's number 15. Yep. So I got to put a vice grip out there because it's loose now, that whenever I use my impact it just turns. Yep. Got it out easy. So yep. Yeah, this one is absolutely shut. Yeah, I could feel the looseness. This one is still in pretty good shape. Yeah, the other side is still okay, the driver's side. It's pretty tight. So this is my new one. It has some Zerk fitting for the grease. I have to put it here. And then it has the smaller bolt and the larger bolt. I don't know which one goes to which. Usually the yeah, I think the smaller one goes to here. Yep, the big one over here. And we need the we need to put this one and put some grease on it. Doesn't have grease on it. Yeah, luckily I still have some grease left on my grease gun. Yeah, I think I put in too much. Yeah, usually it will like inflate like this, both of them. It's better to put the Zerk fitting before installing it, because I don't have a flexible hose in there, or a flexible injector. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult once they're facing towards the car. There's just no space. So you also have to look for sway bar end links that has this kind of design, because you could just put in a monkey wrench on this end, not actually destroying the boot, and not have to deal with putting like a Torx in the middle of the bolt here, unlike the OM design. The OM design is like, yeah, you need to put a Torx there so that it will not rotate, but there's actually also no point there to hold it without destroying the boot. Yeah, in case you have to like do some suspension work later and have to like reuse the sway bar handling. So got it all buttoned up, and it's, yep, I couldn't feel any clunk in here now. It's pretty solid. So time to put the tires back in. So I noticed that my AC is not really warming up on a 90-degree weather. And definitely looking at the static pressure there, we are only around 69, 68. So definitely very low. We're low on refrigerant. So I'm probably gonna add like, probably try 1 can. So it's gonna be like the whole can though. Then this is the high pressure line and the low pressure line is over there. So I'm gonna start the car and check what's the reading will. So the reading is around 35. I will be around 180. Yeah, something like that. We should be above 200 though, like 225, maybe 40, 225. So it will only take like a few ounces to top this off. Okay, I think this is good. So we're around 210 and around 35. So everything should be cold in here now. Yep. Yep, it's way definitely colder than what it was before. Well, definitely made an improvement. I haven't heard any clunk. So sometimes it's not your shocks or struts, but yeah, check your sway bar index.